What up guys, we're back here with a new vlog. It is a whole different style this time. We have a boat we're wrapping this time. I'm laying some knifeless tape as you can see because we're gonna wrap this blue in a brand new blue, make it really bright and shiny instead of dull and bland. And then we're gonna put new stripes over the top. We're gonna do some red ones. And yeah, we got a forklift holding up the front end so we can get around the front. Be innovative, they said. So I'm laying down knifeless tape right now because I don't want to have to try to trim this edge with my knife on the boat. So I use knifeless tape because it has a little tiny string in it that will cut the film for me. If you lay your knifeless down straight, you can have a perfect line. Thank you very much.
All right guys, so progress report on the boat here. We're about halfway done. We are working in a very cold warehouse, so the material's not the happiest, but we're doing the best that we can. Anthony went back to the shop. He's going to get some supplies and whatnot, and hopefully we'll be done with this side by the time that he gets back. So stay tuned and I'll keep filming away.
right, guys, final last update of the boat wrap itself. It's been a long day. I'm ready to go home. But basically, we finally finished the whole boat. Got it all dialed in. It is all blue now. Looks really good. We even added the red stripes on top. And then we added a third one at the very top, just to give it some more red, to kind of contrast it a little bit more for the customer. He was asking for a little bit more. So finally got that all dialed in, and I'm ready to go home. I'm ready to get out of here. I know we've been a couple weeks since the last vlog, but we're getting back on it as much as possible. So bear with us. Workload is overloaded. There's a lot of stuff going on at the shop. We're super packed, we're busy, and we're booked about 6 weeks out. So super crazy for us because we're not used to this yet, but as we progress, we're gonna keep adapting to it, getting better at it, and everything else. So thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. And we want to hear what your feedback is of the boat. This is a second wrap we've done for a boat, and hopefully it blows up on YouTube just like the last one did. So thanks again. I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you, bye.